In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create some easy method and keyboard shortcuts to use Pen tool on Illustrator professionally and more quickly. So without adding further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So we are in Illustrator. So first of all, I will go to File, New, and I will take width and height same, like 612 by 612, and I will hit OK. So from here I'm changing it to RGB and hitting OK. Now what I will do is, like, I'm going to show you some cool shortcut features of Pen tool today. So Pen tool is basically used for tracing something, for tracing your artwork, or for tracing some like shapes or something like that. So we use Pen tool for that. So Pen tool has some cool features, actually really useful for any kind of illustrator or designer. So I'm going to show you some of the features. So first of all, I'm just showing you, like, here you can see the Pen tool, and just beside that you can also see the curvature tool. So basically I'm going to explain the difference between these two tools. So first of all, I'm just showing you, like, if I just click on this, like the ellipse tool, and I'm just clicking here and right clicking and making it make guides. Okay, so now it's a guide. So now if I just click on Pen tool and just try to like trace it, so what happens is, like, I will be able to do that, but the thing is, like, it will take a lot more time. So for this kind of thing, for this kind of curvature, or this kind of where you have more ellipse or oval shapes than like straight lines, you better use this curvature tool, because that will be really useful and a quick process as well. I'm just showing you, like, instead of using Pen tool, if I click on curvature tool and if I just do it, then as you notice that this is a very quick process of tracing this. Okay, so now it's done. It's a pretty quick job, right? So you can see that this is done. But if you just try it with Pen tool, then it takes a lot more time and a lot more effort as well. Like, you have to click here and you have to just do it manually, like, and it is not that perfect, because you can see that there is some corner lines also, like, you have to work on that as well. So you should use curvature tool instead of Pen tool in those cases where you will get a lot of curvatures and oval or this kind of shapes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you something like how you can use Pen tool very quickly. Some of the like, now I'm going to show you when you are tracing some big things or some big artwork, or maybe some big like shapes or something like that. Then while using Pen tool, like, if I just go on doing this while pressing shift key, if you do this, see, I'm just going to like clicking on them and just making some random lines, like some curved lines, some straight lines and all. Now sometimes what happens, like, you want to stop here, and now if I just release the like click button, so I still can see that this anchor point is still linked to this particular point, and it's not unlinked. Okay, it's a bit annoying thing to do. So if I just go to the other tools, it will also go along with that. So this is a bit annoying thing. So to avoid that, what we can do is simply press the P button in keyboard. If you press the key button, it's gone. Okay, so while doing it, while doing the like the big projects or big tracing thing, it's a very easy and useful keyboard shortcuts to do your work quickly. Okay, another thing is, like, while you are working with some like Pen tool or something, like, if you're working with it, then suppose you are in this anchor point, and if you just press the R keyboard shortcut, then you can see you know, like the center of the anchor point here, as you can see, this one. Okay, so if you click if you press the Alt key button and click on here, you will get the rotate, you know, like dialog box. Okay, so here you can if you're working with some shapes or something, you can rotate this along with that. So this is a pretty quick process here also. So there you can get other things also, like there are other keyboard shortcuts while using pen tool. You can also use them along with that, like rotate button. If you press on S, and if you click while pressing Alt key, if you click here, then you can see the scale dialog box. So these are pretty quick thing while doing this or while using this pen tool. There's another thing is like when we are working here in we want to make a curve with pen tool. So what we do is, like here we are going to you know, like create a straight line and then create the P button. And now what I want to do, I want to make a point at the center. So what I will do is I will press on Control R. It will give you the ruler, you know, like the ruler tool, and if you drag it and just place it at the center, now what you will do is just I'm going to this pen tool, just clicking on Alt, and if I'm clicking here, then I will get this, you know, like this plus icon. Plus icon means here I can add more anchor points. And if I get like here the delete anchor point, so if you want to delete any anchor points, there is another option called delete anchor point. So anchor point tool, which you can use to bend, like if I just want to make it a curve, I can do it with this also. By creating the anchor points, then I need to click on here and I need to make a point at the center, like with this, okay, at the center. And then if I click on this direct selection tool, what I will get is I will get two kind of convert tools. So one is convert selected anchor points to corner and convert selected anchor points to smooth. So if I click here, then I am able to see the 2 points here. So now if I drag you know, like something from the ruler, if I drag this line from the ruler, and similarly if I drag this line from the ruler at the bottom, and now if I just click here and just drag it like this and drag the anchor point to this point, and similarly drag this anchor point to this point, so basically it's equal. So this is a pretty long process, and you don't need to do it if you actually need it, because you can do it easily with this you know, like this anchor point tool. But if you need something which you need to trace and it should be in the exact same, you know, like place, then you can use this trick as well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give your positive comments in the comment section, and also let us know about how you feel about this video. And also check my other tutorials to learn Adobe Creative Suite and other self-development to learn design from the scratch. So be happy, be creative, be unique, and be awesome. So I will see you in the next video. Until then,